guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I had to decide whether I was going to film a makeup tutorial or clean my bedroom and my bathroom, and it ultimately came down to cleaning my bedroom and bathroom. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and hopefully you guys like this type of video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and let's go ahead and get cleaning. For the amount of dirt and stuff that was in this bathtub that I had to clean, it has not been used as much as it should have been to have collected that much stuff. The last time I used this bathtub for a good reason was my miscarriage. Don't worry, it's been sanitized and bleached since then, but I don't ever use this bathtub and I need to use it more, but it was dirty because my kids like to play in the bathtub. So it is now all nice and clean. Of the bathtub because it's a pretty good sized bathtub and I like taking baths, but I had to take a break from baths for a while after my miscarriage just because of having the D&C. They didn't want any infection to maybe me get, so anyway, I am now clear to take baths again, so definitely will be taking advantage of more baths. Also, does anybody else's moms or even yourself put your plants in your bathtub or by your bathtub? I feel like my mom did this a lot with her plants, and I'm finding myself doing it now too, just because the lighting that comes through the window and hits the white porcelain just creates a really nice light for the plants to blossom, and it's moist in here, so we don't have like a hosed sprayer in our shower. It's literally just like the head that's in the wall. We can't. So I use this to rinse off the walls. I just got this at Walmart. This is like in the bath section of the kids, like baby sections and stuff. Anyway, but it like fills a whole bunch of water, so it's great to wash kids' hair with it, but this is what I'm going to be using. It's not the most effective tool, but it got the job done. Also, really quickly, does anybody else still use jewelry boxes? I feel like I don't see anybody talk much about jewelry boxes or really where they store her jewelry. I got this for Christmas one year. It's either 13 or 14 years old. I told my mom I really wanted a jewelry box. And this is the one that Santa brought me. And I just love it. I keep all my jewelry in here. I have my necklaces in these little doors here, which it's not my favorite. Necklaces kind of get tangled a lot, so it's not the best situation for them. And then I keep all of my earrings in these drawers. Down here is mostly where my bracelets are, and then just kind of my junk drawer of my jewelry. And then I keep my rings in this little thing here, which actually goes in this door, or it can go into this door, but I kind of like to keep it out so that I can see all my pretty rings. And then I have some more special jewelry that my husband gave me that I keep in these boxes. And then some of these bags as well. Things that are really, really special to me, and I don't want to just like put it in here with the rest of my jewelry. I just keep in these boxes, and they're just nice and sleek, and I can stack them together. Anyway, but yeah, where do you store your jewelry in? How do you guys put your toilet paper roll on? Do you put it on like this, so the toilet paper is in front, or do you put it in the back? Jared and I have been married for 7 years, and this just now came up in the last couple weeks. He put it on, and he put it on this way, and I was just like, no, you need to put it on this. Which way do you guys put it? I like to put it over. Jared put it behind the other day, and I thought that was quite interesting. I have this basket right here that I just kind of put all of my girly things in. These are leftover from my miscarriage when I was bleeding pretty heavily. I also have a big box of them from Costco out in the garage still. Guys, these actually are really good. Don't think that because you're, you know, not old yet or a baby, that you don't need diapers, because they work in a pinch. And if you're on the road and you need to go to the bathroom really quickly and there's nothing around, I mean, I know that sounds gross and that's like maybe TMI, but I mean, they work in a pinch. And I just have like my pads in here. I have an extra thing of toilet paper in here. I have Puck's pads because your girl gets hemorrhoids, so unfortunately that came with having children. And then I also have some wipes, and then I usually have in here is my menstrual cups because I don't like using pads or tampons normally. She just went out the door. I don't know where my toilet cleaner went, so the inside of the toilet will have to be cleaned at a later date. I might have to go to the store and buy some more, but for now we'll clean the outside of the toilet. Make sure that when you're cleaning your toilet that you are also getting around the base of the toilet and even in the very back, because it gets dirty there too, and I think sometimes people forget to clean that area of the toilet. Okay, I definitely need to clean my toilet more often because this is all the dust that was like on top of and like right here behind the toilet seat, and it just was full of dust, so I need to clean it more often, Aubree. All right, the bathroom is done now. Look how beautiful everything looks. Sorry, look how beautiful everything looks. Even the shower looks really good. All right, on to the bedroom. everything in the center of the room first before I organize it and put it where it needs to go. I just feel like it kind of helps me stay in one spot for a while rather than like going back and forth to different places. I can kind of put things in the categories like, okay, all this stuff needs to go in the laundry room, or all this stuff needs to go in the garbage, or all this stuff needs to go in the bathroom, you know, things like that. So I'm not like constantly going back and forth. I am beat. You guys probably saw, I don't know what it's gonna cut down to when I edit, but what, maybe 10 minutes of me cleaning, and this took me 2.5 hours to clean my bathroom and my bedroom. So I am tired. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, again, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. If you want to be notified of future videos that I upload, hit that subscribe button down below and you will get a notification every time there's a new video for you to watch. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!